everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do something different. I'm going to be unboxing the ARIFAYZ FHD 1080p dash cam. This is the Q3. It comes with again the 1080 HP, and it comes with Wi-Fi, and it has a loop recording feature on it. So again, this is a brand name right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this. Also, in addition to this, because the dash cam needs a SD card, so I purchased this 128 gigabyte. It's a PNY, and that's going to go into this camera later on. So go ahead and let's go ahead and unbox this. I just got it the other day in the mail. Removing the plastic cover. We're just going to look here. It comes to that with some greeting. It's a greeting card from the company, the manufacturer. So obviously I think it's going to give us the workman, and it's going to include the Wi-Fi, password, and any other information here for the setting of the camera. And I'm going to go ahead and make another video later on to show you guys how to install this on my vehicle. This box came with the dash cam Q3 use manual right here. It will give you the instructions. There's some QR codes in here. I'm assuming you can scan them, and it will take you directly to the app that you need to download to be able to see the videos that you take in the camera on your cell phone. So that's something that caught my attention about this camera, that it can connect to your Wi-Fi and also can connect to your cell phone. Comes with another cautions card here, giving us information about the specific SD card that we need to use for this specific camera, and also comes with the warranty card for the camera. So it comes with some plastic things in here, so we're going to unbox this. Comes with the cable, and the plug to plug into the card right here. Comes with some type of tape. Oh, this is to, when we install this in the vehicle, then somehow this can hold the wire. Come with another tape here. I believe this is the one that is going to go into against the windshield. And this little tool here, I think this is to be able to hide or to push in the wire coming from the windshield into the plug down to the car. So it looks like the wire, the cable is kind of long, so I think we will have enough room to bring this around the top of the above the mirror on the windshield back to the bottom of the vehicle. And here's the camera. There you go. It's kind kind of small. It's kind of slick. The color is kind of gray. There were some other colors. I think the other option that I had was all black, but I think I like the kind of like a small gray color in here. You can see the connector there for the charger. And this is a slot where the SD card would be inserted. Okay, so again, I just wanted to do this video of unboxing this HD 1080p dashcam Q3. This is the manufacturer or the brand name, and we're going to do another video of the installation on the vehicle. So look up for that. You can subscribe and you can hit the bell, so that way when I post the second video, you will be able to watch it. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you for watching.